Welcome back, DIYers. Today's little video, we're going to turn this ordinary front entry door into one with a peephole. This is a very simple and easy project. Shouldn't take you long to do it all. As you can see, not all entry doors come with peepholes, so we're going to remedy that. Let me show you how we're going to get started. Now, when selecting a position for your peephole, the standard height that I found was anywhere from 64 to 56 inches off the ground. Now, as you can see in my case, I have about a 2.5 inch step up to get into the house. And because of that, I'm going to take my measurement from the inside. I got this peephole from Home Depot. You can get them from Lowe's or wherever your hardware store is. It's nothing fancy. It's a 200-degree viewer. And it didn't come with an inside cover, so I got the cover to go with it. So let's get started. I'll go inside. I'll show you how we're going to take some measurements to find out where to drill the hole and get started. This video is sponsored by the DIY Apparel Company, the online store for all your DIY apparel needs. On there you'll find short sleeve shirts like the one I'm wearing here with a multitude of different designs. You'll also find long sleeve shirts, sweatshirts. You'll find that I have 5 or 6 different colors of each one with different designs for each. The short sleeve shirts come in 100% cotton. The long sleeve and the sweatshirts come in a cotton polyester blend, again with a multitude of different designs. I also have coffee mugs with 4 different colors. I have canvases of 4 different sizes with assorted designs. Also, hats, all cloth, 100% cotton hats. They come with a cotton adjustable strap in the back. The embroidered lettering on the front is elevated into a 3D design. They're very comfortable. I have a link down below in the description. You can go and take a look at all the different designs I have, and any purchases, of course, help support the channel. Now, on with the video. All right, we're on the inside of the door here, as you can see. So basically, I'm going to take the tape measure from the bottom of the floor. In this case, it's actually on the tile, but that's okay. And I've already predetermined I want the door at about 63 inches. I'm going to put a line there. Now, what I've got to do is figure out how wide my door is. And it's got a little lip on the sides here, so I'm just going to go from lip to lip. That looks to be 35.5 inches. Half of 35.5 is 17.75. So there's a mark. I just took some paper and made a little paper trough there to catch the filings. Now this is a metal door, and because of that, I'm going to take my awl and make a little center punch so the drill bit has something to go into to get started. If it was a wood door, you wouldn't necessarily have to do that. Just like that. I don't want to do too hard and make a dent. Next, it tells you to take an 1/8 inch drill bit and make a pilot hole all the way through. So that's what we're going to do. So we're just going to take and drill. Now we should have a dimple or a dent on the outside. I'll take and drill it back through the other way. Okay, now that's done. You can see it's a solid core door supposedly, but it's really just styrofoam. So next, I take a 5/8 inch drill bit and finish drilling the hole. So I got a 5/8 inch drill bit. I'm going to drill this hole. And when I get to the other side, I'm going to stop. I'm going to go from the outside and drill this way. That way I know the holes match and I don't get a bunch of metal filings sticking out through the other side. Easy as that. Clean up these shavings and we'll move on. Now I had to take the drill and wobble the hole out just a little bit on each side so it fit. Basically unscrew the 2 ends. Naturally this end goes to the outside. Put it in, go from the inside and screw this on. Comes with 2 little slots here, and that's what you use to tighten it up with. Put this in. Now as you're putting these together, make sure they screw really easy and you don't cross thread. I've got the other side pushed tight against the door. I'll screw this down until I can't screw it anymore. And then with those 2 little slots right here, I'm just going to take a butter knife and tighten it down the rest of the way. There, nice and tight. Now, I had a cover that goes over this, but the problem is the cover drills into here. Since it's just metal and then styrofoam, I didn't want to do it because it's probably not going to hold worth a lick. So we'll just have to leave it like that for now. But you can see just how easy it is to put in a peephole. And just like that, you have a peephole. Now you can see whoever's coming. Pretty clear. And with that, we're all done. Quick, simple, easy. It takes about 20-30 minutes to do. So you can see just who's standing outside your door the next time somebody knocks.
Hello? Is anybody home? I'm here to sell you crap you don't need.
And with that, you don't have to answer. Hope you enjoyed this video, got something out of it. Until next time, happy DIYing.